with those longhorn goats.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Longhorn Goat TV video. Today we're doing an Airsoft battle race thingamajigger. I don't know. And so, really the rules are simple. So you start off at this station, the pistol station right here, the pistol. And then you gotta come all the way over here, shoot between, you have to shoot these things, or shoot in the middle of it, all three of them. Oh my God. And then you gotta run all the way over here. And then you have to go like this. You have to shoot both of the gloves on the fins like this. Oh, it's on safety. Never mind. Okay, and so just put out this. And then once you're done with this, you put this gun down, come all the way over here. You know who's not a sniper from College Sniper Station? And so you have to shoot it between that little net over there on the swing. And that's how you win. We're gonna have it timed, so we'll see who does the best.
Here comes Jacoby's turn.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Yes. Oh wow. Hit. 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 3 in a row. Let's go. Go.
Jackson's turn. 3, 2, 1, fire. Got it. Winner is
Me, Jacoby.
40 seconds to 51 seconds.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. See you next time.
Yay! What?